This journey begins at the farm, where ripe watermelons are harvested entirely by automated machines. Each fruit is carefully selected at peak freshness, using precision tools designed to protect its natural structure. From the field, the harvest moves directly into temperature-controlled transport, preserving quality from the very first moment. Once inside the factory, every watermelon is inspected using advanced AI vision systems. Automated cleaning lines wash and sanitize the fruit while preserving its natural freshness. Only perfectly prepared watermelons move forward into the production stages that follow. After cleaning, each watermelon is graded and sorted using artificial intelligence. The fruit is then directed into specialized processing lines, each designed for a specific product. Precision cutting systems prepare the watermelons for efficient extraction and transformation. The watermelon flesh is carefully separated and gently crushed to release its natural juice. Advanced filtration systems remove seeds and fiber without damaging flavor. The result is a clean, vibrant juice ready for multiple products. Fresh watermelon juice becomes the foundation for frozen treats. Controlled cooling and mixing create smooth popsicle and ice cream bases. Automation ensures consistent texture and flavor in every batch. Thin watermelon slices are slowly dehydrated at low temperatures. This process preserves color, flavor, and natural sweetness. The result is a crisp, shelf-stable watermelon snack. Fresh watermelon pieces are carefully prepared for canning and preservation. Automated sealing protects flavor and extends shelf life. These products deliver watermelon freshness all year round. After sealing, preserves are cooled gradually to protect flavor and texture. Automated inspection ensures every jar meets strict quality standards. Finished products are packed and prepared for distribution. Watermelon juice is transformed through controlled fermentation. Time and temperature guide the natural conversion into vinegar. The result is a bright, clean product with balanced acidity. Fresh watermelon is combined with carefully measured ingredients. Gentle mixing preserves texture and freshness. Automated filling locks in flavor at peak quality. Dried watermelon is finely ground into powder. Careful sifting ensures consistent texture. Airtight packaging preserves flavor and color. Even the seeds are fully utilized through cold-press oil extraction. Natural pigments are carefully separated for food coloring. Nothing is wasted in this fully optimized process. Each watermelon product is sealed using automated packaging systems. Sensors confirm integrity across every container and pouch. Finished goods move forward in perfect synchronization. Frozen watermelon products are stored under precise temperature control. Automated systems manage inventory without human contact. Quality is preserved until distribution. Shelf-stable watermelon products are stored under controlled conditions. Automation maintains order and accuracy at scale. Every item remains traceable and protected. Quality testing runs continuously throughout production. Automated labs verify safety, consistency, and flavor. Only approved products reach the market. Internal logistics connect every part of the factory. Automation ensures smooth movement without delays. Each product is positioned for final dispatch. Products are organized and secured for transport. Automated systems protect each load during handling. Every pallet is prepared for safe delivery. Automated docks load products efficiently. Temperature control begins before the journey starts. Shipments leave the factory fully protected. The cold chain maintains freshness beyond the factory. Continuous monitoring protects product quality. Watermelon products arrive exactly as intended. Sustainability is built into every stage of production. Water and organic materials are fully reused. Waste becomes a valuable resource. Renewable energy powers the facility. Smart systems balance demand and supply. Efficiency defines the modern food factory. Finished products move through regional distribution hubs. Automation ensures fast and accurate routing. Every shipment stays within controlled conditions. Products are assembled into retail-ready formats. Packaging protects and presents each item clearly. Automation ensures consistency across every pack. Retail presentation is tested before products reach stores. Shelf layout ensures visibility and consistency. Every detail is refined in advance. Every product remains fully traceable. Digital systems connect farm, factory, and shelf. Transparency builds trust at scale. A final inspection protects product quality. Automated checks eliminate errors. Watermelon products are now ready for consumers.
AI vision
From a
confirms
single
packaging
farm,
integrity.
watermelon products
No
reach the
defects
world.
detected.
Precision logistics protect freshness across every mile. Automation connects local harvests to global markets. The journey ends where choice begins. Every product reflects careful design and control. Freshness is preserved all the way to the shelf. Every part of the watermelon has a purpose. Nothing is wasted in a fully optimized system. Sustainability is designed, not added later. From harvest to shelf, every step is connected. Technology guides precision at every stage. This
Storage,
is modern
shipping
food
flashes.
production at scale.
All systems synchronized.
What begins as a simple fruit becomes many possibilities. Guided by automation, efficiency, and care, this is the future of food, designed from the ground up.